Yo, haha, Miltnificent.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick video. You know what today is. Today is Friday, so hopefully you guys have kept a good head. And quite honestly, it's getting tough out there. But hey, hopefully I can make somebody happy today. At least, well, not today. In 2 weeks, I can make somebody happy. I will say this: if you're going out for Thanksgiving shopping, listen. Make sure you go like today, tomorrow, because I literally went for all the necessary stuff that I need, or that we need, to get the Thanksgiving stuff cooked up. And I went for cranberry, like the jelly one. I don't like the other one, but the jelly one. I went there. I went to 3 different stores before I found some, but they're selling out fast. So yeah, everybody's already shopping for Thanksgiving stuff. So good luck, guys, when you go out there and start shopping. But here to announce AncestryDNA, the giveaway starts today. So all you have to do in order to get a chance to get this free complimentary AncestryDNA Kit on your boy Miltnificent is comment Happy Thanksgiving. That's it. Happy Thanksgiving. Once you do that, as long as you subscribe to the channel, I'll enter you. And in 2 weeks, we'll do that wind spill. That will spin. That's just tongue tied right now. Look, I'm tired. But anyway, no, seriously. I'll have your name. I'll put it on the wheel, just like we always do. Just comment Happy Thanksgiving on this video. You must be 18 years or older. It must be in the United States of America. As I grow this channel and hopefully, word gets out that, this guy actually does give away stuff. I don't need you to go click on my Instagram page, Twitter. You're more than welcome to send a friends request if you want. I keep certain things private because I want to make sure the people that are actually following are the actual followers and not some, But your boy Miltnificent. It's Friday, man. Like I said, I hope you guys, listen, try to enjoy the weekend. Try to relax as much as possible. Your body and your mind deserves as much rest as possible, especially with the pandemic going on. So, keep safe, keep your distance, stuff like that until all this dies down. Hopefully we can get back to some type of normalcy, but we'll see. Just take it one day at a time. Be thankful. You know me. Be blessed. Be appreciative, be respectful, be mindful, all that good stuff. Because when you combine them all, it only gets better from there. It only gets better from there. So, boy, Miltnificent, AncestryDNA Kit. Comment below. Happy Thanksgiving on this video. I do not want anybody coming to me saying, "Look, how come I didn't get a chance? I did not get a chance to enter." Look, you got your chance. Here's the video. You enter. You got 2 weeks. I'm giving everybody 2 weeks. So good luck to everybody. And again, hopefully in December, actually, no, not even hopefully. In December, there will be another one of these giveaways. So don't feel discouraged if you didn't win this month. There's another chance next month. Your boy Miltnificent, I am out. It is Friday, and you guys stay blessed.